Hey guys, welcome back to the series of Java programming. So in this video we are going to learn about operators and different type of operators we have. So let's get started. So firstly we have arithmetic operators. So to enter some data first, I'll comment them. So first we have arithmetic operators. So in this we have plus, minus, into, divided by, and a special one, mod. So what are these going to do? Plus will add the numbers, minus will subtract the numbers, and star will multiplicate the numbers. And these two there is a small difference between them. This divided by will give you the quotient value when we divide two numbers, and this mod will give you the remainder value when we divide the two numbers. So that's what they are going to do. And coming to next, we have relational operators. So in this we have greater than and less than, and greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, or maybe not equal to. So this is called not equal to. And we have equal. So equal will compare two numbers. That means whether LHS is equal to RHS. At that time we'll use this double equals. So these are the relational operators. And next we have logical operators. So these are ampersand, and not, and or. So this is the AND gate, this is the NOT gate, and this is the OR gate. So if you want two conditions to be applied at once, that means if this condition and this condition are true, then only we are going to do the next operation. At that time we use this ampersand. So this is the AND gate, that means two conditions should be false. And the next one is NOT. If this condition is not true, then we are going to do this action. So at that time we are going to use this not logical operator. And this one is OR. Either this condition or that condition should be true. So that means any of that condition should be true, then the next operation will be performed. So at that time we use this logical operators. And next we have assignment operator. If you want to assign a number to a variable, then we use a single equal, like x equal to 5, like this. So that means you are assigning 5 to x. So that's what the assignment operator is. And next we have increment and decrement. So in this we have plus and minus. So what are these going to do? If first suppose x is equal to 5, and next we have given that x plus. So after this statement is executed, the value of x will be 6. That means it will be increased with a single digit. That means 5 plus 1. And if that is x minus, the value is going to be 4. So that's what the increment and decrement operators will do. And next we have updating operators. So in this we have plus equal to, and minus equal to, and star is equal to, and by is equal to, and mod is equal to. So what are these going to do? So if here, for suppose we have x equal to 5 here also, and I wanted to add this number to the same variable and store it in the same variable. That means x should be 10. So it should add 5 to the same variable and store it in the same x variable. So at that time we use this updating operators. So we use that like this: x plus is equal to 5. So by default x is 5, and 5 plus is equal to 5 will be stored in an x variable. So that means now the value will be x equal to 10. and similarly for all these also will be same. So that means if you want to subtract 5 from the given variable and store it in the same variable, then use this minus is equal to, and multiplication is equal to means if you want to multiply the same number and store it in the same variable, we use this updating multiplication operator. So next, so we already know the string concatenation operator, which is plus. So that means if we have hello and if we also have plus world, the output will be hello world, like this. So there will not be space because we did not mention space here. So the output will be hello world. So this is the concatenation operator. So let's discuss some examples for this. So let's try to write a program to find the total and average of the marks of a student by reading the student number and student name and also marks in about 3 subjects. So let's try to do that. So first we need to import the scanner class because we are taking the input from the user. So I'll say import java.util.asterisk, and next we have to start the class, right? So class pro4, and in this we need to say public static void main of string args, and in this we are going to first start our scanner class, that is scanner scene is equal to new scanner of system.in. So we have done the basic ones, and now let's try to take the input of the student number. For that I'll first print system.out.println of enter student number, and next, so we need to take the input, right? So the student number may be an integer, so I'll say int yes number is equal to cin dot next int. So this is how we take the input of the integer variable, and next we need to take the student name, right? So I'll say system.out.println of enter student name, and to take the string variable we need to say string s name is equal to cin dot next or next line. So both the methods are correct, and next we need to take 3 subject marks, right? So I'll say system.out.println of enter 3 subject marks. So I'll say int m1, that means the mark 1 is equal to cin dot next int, and for the second mark I'll say int m2 is equal to cin dot next int of, and for the third one I'll say m3 is equal to cin dot next int of. So this is the third one, and now we need to find the total, right? Total and also the average, right? So what I'll do is I'll create a variable in tot is equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3. So this is not the concatenation because these 3 are integer variables, so this will add the numbers. Suppose if m1 is 1, 2 and 3, so this will add 1 plus 2 plus and 3, so the output will be 6, and that will be stored in this total. So since these are integers, those will be added, and if they are strings, they will be concatenated. So we have got the total, and to find the average we'll say int avg is equal to total divided by 3. So that's what the average value is. So the total value divided by the total number of subjects will be giving the average value. And next we need to print these ones. So what I'll do is system.out.println of the total is, so here we are using this concatenation one. So because we are concatenating the value with the string, right? So here the concatenation will work. And for the average, I'll say system.out.print ln of the average value is plus avg. So I'll save this file. So to run this, I need to go to the file location, right? So here are my files. So I'll open the command prompt and I'll say javac pro4.java. We have got an error. Total. Oh my god, this is TOT. Wrong variable declaration. Let's try to run this. Okay, Java Pro 4. So it is asking me to enter the student number. Let's suppose 1, 2. And for the student name, let's say codwithKrish. And the 3 subject marks. Let's say 50, 50, and 50. The total is 150 and the average value is 50. So that's how you take the input from the user and perform some arithmetic operations and print them in the output. So that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.